What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Grind. Once again, my name is Thomas. If you are new here to the channel, welcome. Today, coming at you from my USA Golf 3. We'll be transplanting the heated seats from this car to mine. As you can see, it's starting to get cold here and I don't want to freeze my butt off in winter anymore. So let's get cracking. So what I actually did, I disassembled a bit more than actually needed to, because the car is going to be taken apart fully. So if I do it now or do it later, it doesn't really matter. Normally you only have to take out the piece that sits here and then take out the clocks. For easy measures, I also took out the piece there and the full middle piece to make it a bit more easier for me to trace the cables. So now I'm gonna take out the clock.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So this is where the boom sits now. It was routed all the way through here, around the corner, and then came out that way. Now I see there behind the fuse box is a little plug where it connects to the part that goes to the seats. I'm gonna now take out the seats so I can trace that boom back.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby?
So as you can see, the seats are out. Now I got this part of the passenger seat boom, which goes around here through the center console to the other side, and then it goes back to the fuse box. So I'm gonna try and loosen the center console up to be able to get the boom out. So now I got the boom out, just up till there. Gotta take this off, but to remove that, gotta take this out. These two parts aren't very hard. This is just, I thought, one cross screw, and this has two, so that's all we gotta take off.
Why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling.
So the wiring behind the dash I actually did off camera, because it was a lot of fiddling around. That's what you get when you try to take a piece of the loom out of the rest of the loom, but when I'll go to install it, I'll try to show a little bit more of the wiring behind the dashboard. So I also plugged in the wires behind the dashboard off camera, because it's not so easy task to do. Also a lot of fiddling around, because plugging it in this car is a bit harder than the other car would be. The connection blocks sitting a lot lower here than the other car. I'll try to show you where they are. I hope it translates on camera. So in here, I try to focus. Yeah, focus. In here, you have the colored blocks, and each of the pens also has a color to it. So it's just a matter of connecting color to color. So we had one green plug, which had to go in here, and we had one gray plug. This is gray, that's where I put, and then somewhere around there we have the ground connector, which I had to get to from the underside, which was a bit easier to connect that. So for now it's just a matter of taking out the center console, running the wires through there, and connecting to the seats.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason. turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way. Way this season.
Then you got your ashtray. Which nicely fits in there. That's it, to take it out. I mostly open it, just pull it and it's out. Easy as that. The mess back there, and I'll be on the road. We'll be testing the seats on the road to make sure they are working. So guys, came home, tested the seats on the way back. Testing mine is a little bit harder because I actually sit in it, and it also heats up through body warmth, but hearing the clicks of the relay, I guess it kind of works. The passenger I put on full heat. It seems to be working fine. The back part heats up really hot, and the bum part, I don't know yet. It heats up, but not a lot. I might have to look into that, but I don't know. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment. That's all I can say for now. Thanks for watching.